This video is dedicated to a brand new plugin called Bit CRM by the same team behind Bitflows and Bit Integrations. Bit CRM is a plugin that will let you manage your entire sales process right inside WordPress. If you run an agency or a service-based business, this can be a game changer. You can collect leads, transform them into contacts, then you can group all your contacts by company, you can create deals, you can send invoices, you can synchronize everything with WooCommerce. Soon you will be able to do that also with Fluent Cart and Shortcart. So basically, using Bit CRM, you can stay inside WordPress and you can manage all your sales from one place. They even have a built-in MCP that will let you manage your CRM data using your favorite AI client. In my test, I've used the Claude Desktop and I must say that it works very well. You can literally manage your whole CRM just by chatting with AI. Bit CRM comes with a generous free version that you can use if you want to check it out while you're watching this video. So if you're ready, just go and check the link in the description box below. And in case you want to switch to the Pro version, keep in mind that right now there is an early bird offer, so make sure you check it out in case you're interested. I'm Pascal, and now I will guide you step by step into the exploration of Bit CRM. Now, before diving into the details of this plugin, I want to show you my favorite features. I've been testing this every day for a week, and here are the features that I loved the most. The first feature is the fact that when you manage your leads or your contacts, you can stay right inside the plugin and you can message them sending emails in a very easy way. So you do not need to switch apps. You go here and you can send emails to your contacts. You can compose them right from here. You can also read all the replies and you can go ahead and read the follow-ups and keep on sending new messages right from Bit CRM. This is great. My second favorite feature is that when you're managing your deals inside Bit CRM, you have this beautiful Kanban view that you can use to have a visual, intuitive user experience and keep an eye on all that's happening inside your sales pipeline. You can use advanced filters if you want to search by company, email type, and so on. And you can even also just search by keyboard and it will be super fast. My third favorite feature is the invoice one, because you can easily go ahead and send an invoice each time you won and close a new deal. And you can do it also synchronizing it with your WooCommerce products if you want. You can simply select the deal that you want to invoice. Then you can select here your WooCommerce products. So if you're selling your services through WooCommerce, you can go ahead and simply send invoices like this. You can even add notes and terms, and the customers, once they receive the invoice, they can also pay directly through a link that will send them to your WooCommerce checkout. Now, my fourth favorite feature are workflows. You can create and organize your workflows right inside the CRM, and this is a huge time saver. Let me show you here, for example, a workflow that I have created as a welcome serial for each time I get a new lead. There's a really intuitive interface. We can use many different tools and actions right inside the workflow builder, and we can also use web integrations, and this is very cool. I really like it. Then I have my fifth and last favorite feature, which is right inside settings. You can click here on MCP server. Using this, you can connect to your AI client to your CRM and you can manage it in simple, plain language. I have done my test using Claude Desktop and I must say that it works very well. It was really fun to manage the plugin using AI and see all it can do just by talking. As you can see here, I can retrieve all the data, ask to update them, ask to add new records, I can ask to analyze, organize, explain features, and I can do whatever I want right inside my CRM without needing to log into my website, which is great. And now we are ready to dive deeper and see how the plugin actually works step by step. Let's go ahead and start from the dashboard. Remember that if you want to follow along during the video, you can download the free version of Bit CRM using the link provided in the description box down below. Let me show you how Bit CRM works and how it is structured. We click here on Bit CRM and we can see that the first thing we have is the dashboard, where you can have a bird's eye view of all that's happening into your CRM. It is pretty intuitive and well designed. A cool thing here is the fact that you can easily switch to dark mode if you prefer. In my case, I will keep it on light. And then we have the navigation here with all the different elements that we can access quickly and also some other elements down here. All right, so let me explain to you how all this works. Let's start now with the lead section. When you click on leads, you will be able to see all the leads that you have collected through the time, and you will be able also to filter them, search them, and so on. You can also add them manually, or you can start collecting them using a form integration. The good thing here is the fact that you can easily get started by clicking on settings, and you can create a lead collection form in a single click. You scroll into integration, you click on Bit Form, and you can just click here to create lead capture form. You will then have a short code that you can place in any page on your website, and the leads will be collected here. When you click on a single lead, you will be able to see all the details of this lead and all the actions that you can take to manage it. So here we have all the fields with the data. You can also customize all the fields, of course, if you want, if you need it. And then you can go ahead and send emails, assign tasks to your teammates, for example, to manage this lead, record details about meetings, calls, add attachments, notes, or links to this single lead. And then when you're ready, you can click on convert and convert this lead into a contact. When a lead is converted to a contact, it means that it can enter into a deal process. In fact, as you can see here, when a user is a contact, you will have also the deals section that will keep track of all the deals that this contact is currently in. A contact can also be part of a company so that you can easily keep track of all the companies and businesses which you're working with. Then my favorite tab is the deals one. From this screen here, you can easily keep an eye on all that's going on your sales processes. You can see all the data at a glance. And then you can also customize this as you wish. You can change the names of the steps and whatever you need to do, you can do it just by accessing the settings. And it is very flexible. If you want, you can also start configuring this using the MCP server connection and your favorite AI client, like I did using Claude Desktop. Then when the deal is won, you can go ahead and send an invoice to your customer just by clicking here on New Invoice. Keep in mind that all these steps can be also automated using the workflow feature. In fact, here by clicking on workflows, you can start automating all the different steps that you need your customers to go through inside your CRM. In my example here, I have created a lead welcome series that works like this. When a lead is created, I will send an email, then I will add a tag, then I will create a task and assign it to a teammate, then I will have a delay, then I will have a condition, and I will send a second email, and so on. As you can see here, we have many tools, conditions, delay, then we have actions, and also advanced webhook integrations. So for example, when a deal is won, you can send out an invoice automatically using workflows, or you can go ahead and do it manually. Each invoice can be connected to a specific deal. Let's say that this is the deal. And then you can use WooCommerce products or also local or custom products if you're using the Pro version. The good thing here is that the user will receive the invoice and also a link to pay through your WooCommerce checkout. Then here, if you have the Pro version, you can also create your own products and you can save them into your CRM. Then we have tasks, meetings, and calls. When you open up this, you will see all your active tasks. And basically, these are all the tasks that are spread to your leads, contacts, companies, deals, and so on. In fact, when I access any of these elements, I see that I have a task tab where I can check the task status. And for each task, I will have a title, of course. I will have a priority. I will have a status. I will have someone which is assigned to this task. And I can also add notes. Add note. All right. Then when I'm ready, I can go ahead and mark this task as completed. Easy as that. The same happens with meetings and calls. You can have a bird's eye view of all the meetings that you have active on your CRM right here. You have a filter here and a search bar. You can add new meetings by hand, or you can manage them via MCP or using automation in workflows. And same thing for calls. And as I was telling, all these elements like tasks, meetings, calls, and so on are available all through the sales process. So if I go to deals, for example, and I want to check all the calls that I made with this specific client, I will go ahead here, click on the calls tab, and I can have a log of all the calls that I made with this specific client, also with all the notes, who was assigned to this task, and so on. Then we can go and check the history. If you work with a team, this will be a very useful feature because it will keep track of all that happens inside the CRM and also who did what. Then now let's have a quick navigation of the settings. The first thing that we can see here are the general settings that you can use to customize everything using your business details, of course. Then we have leads, contacts, company, and deals and products and invoice settings, which basically will let you manage all the fields of all these elements. We can reorder fields here. You can make them disabled or required. You can add new custom fields, and you can do the same also for all the other elements right here. Then in communication, you can set up emails using IMAP and SMTP if you want to send and receive emails and keep track of all the messages that you exchange with all your leads and contacts right inside the CRM. Then we have some ready-to-use integrations with WooCommerce, Bit Form, and Bit Flows. The WooCommerce one is very easy because you can just go ahead here and enable them in a single switch, and all your order data and all your customers will be synchronized automatically in Bit CRM. Then we have the Bit Form integration, which is also available in a single click, even if you use just the free version of Bit Forms. And then we have Bit Flows. Down here, we have a bunch of very important features like the currency settings. We can set a main currency and then also set up some multiple currencies. We have the data management, the portal settings, the CRM users, and the MCP server. The portal settings is very interesting because using this feature, you can give access to your clients and customers to their invoices and to important data that you are sharing with them through the CRM. Giving the portal link to your customers, they will be able to access this kind of dashboard in a very easy and polished way, and they can access their invoices, they can keep track of the deals, and so on. Then, of course, we can also let our team members manage the CRM with us by adding new users and use the MCP server connection, which is very powerful if you want to work with Claude Desktop or any other AI client to manage your CRM. If you're interested in buying Bit CRM Pro, keep in mind that the early bird offer is now active and it won't last for long. So you can click on my affiliate link down below if you want to support my channel. You can check the pricing page and you can check all the licenses available. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. Now, please comment down below because I'm curious to know your thoughts about Bit CRM. If you got a feedback or anything that you want to share about it, feel free to do that down below the video. I will leave you now here another video about how to automate tasks in WordPress using Bitflows, a plugin by the same team that created Bit CRM. So if you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and do it. Wish you all the best and see you in the next one.